Good morning, student. So, this is the second part of this chapter, The Friendly Mongoose. So, let's get started. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed. So, what is the meaning of fed, my dear student? Fed means खिलाना. बच्चों को खाना खिलाते हैं ना. That is the meaning of fed. Fed the baby and rocked him to the sleep in his little cradle. तो rock मतलब what is the meaning of rocked? Rocked means पालना झुलाना. पालना जो होता है उसको झुलाना. So rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Cradle मतलब पालना. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. Bazaar means her wife wanted to go to the bazaar, so she was outside. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. You need not be afraid, said the farmer. So, farmer wife doesn't want to leave the baby along with the mongoose, but she wanted to go. And farmer is saying that you don't worry, I am here. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child along with the mongoose. You need not be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of friends. You know. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He ran out into some friends on the way back and did not return to quite some time. So farmer basically he was at home but he was not having any work, so he went outside to meet his friend and to take a look at his field, it which is not very far from his house, but it took time for him to come back. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. What is the meaning of grocery, my dear student? Grocery means अनाज. घर का सामान, eating materials and all, that is known as groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if watering for her, waiting for her. So as soon as farmer's wife enters, this mongoose was waiting for her, like he wants to drink some water. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. As soon as this mongoose saw farmer's wife coming from far away, he ran towards her. The farmer wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Blood, she cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. The first what she saw mongoose, she was very scared. Why she was very scared? Because there was a blood on the face of mongoose. Face and hands, it was full of blood. You wrecked animal, you have killed my baby, she screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran outside to the child cradle. The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. On a flash, she realized that had happened. She ran out of looking for the mongoose. So what happened? She thought that mongoose did some with her child, but she did not. That mongoose did not did, and when she went to see her child, then what she saw, there was a snake near her. Then she came to know that Mongoose didn't did anything. Oh, you saved my child, you killed the snake, what have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead on still, unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying, weeping her tears. She went in to feed him. So what she did, it was a silly mistake. It was a call of act hit hit at the moment, but she did not mean to do that. But she was uh, very, you can say she was feeling very upset what she did. So this was the chapter. Thank you so much.